Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back to EA Sports. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski, getting set to call all the action here. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
Both teams lined up in the middle. We are ready to get things underway. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Sends it deep inside the offensive zone. Team Great Britain's got a hold of the puck. Sends a pass over. Great Britain's got it along the wall. And it's a quick pass to Myers. Blocker save. Myers has won the faceoff. Slides it back to the blue line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Hangs onto the puck. And there's the save. Grabbed along the boards by Myers. Right to the middle. Absolutely levels them. Coughs up the puck after that hit. Sandwich shots.
That is a perfectly delivered hit. Rammed him straight into the boards.
Right on the doorstep. Here's a backhander. Oh, what a save in front. And he's ridden off the puck. Now he takes it over the line. Sends it out right in front. And that's picked off. Team Belarus is across the blue line. And that one's broken up. Quick feed to Gray. Gray's got the puck. Pokes it away in his own end. Handles the puck. Comes up with a glove save. Grips it and rips it. Denies him. He got all of it. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Belarus has it behind the net. Takes the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Back to the blue line. Here's a shot. Can't get it to go. Carries it in. On the attack along the boards. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. Team Belarus has got the puck in their own end. Takes it and looks ahead. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the feed. Moves the puck. Looks to set up along the point. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Gets it over to Knight. Knight's got it in the offensive zone. Moves behind the net. Handles the puck at the point. Too much traffic in the lane. Good hit. With possession along the wall. Chance right in front. Scores! It's in the back of the net.
He kept moving in that high slot, looking for an area that might be open. Then the puck's on and off his stick. Nice shot.
Great Britain's got the game's first goal as they lead here 1-0 early in the first.
Always awesome to be in front of the game. You push the pace. You make the other team uncomfortable when you're out front.
And a solid job tying up his opponent. Grabs the puck at center. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. Moves the puck along the half wall. Trying to get back on the attack now. Takes control of the puck. Hall's got it along the boards. Centering pass. From the slot, wrist shot, big time save with the blocker.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
And he comes up with it. Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. 1-0 the score. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Nice pass. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Moves it on over to Hall. Takes the feed. Team Belarus has got control of it now from their own end. They've got numbers. Sends it over. Into the corner. Right in the slot. Shot and a great save. Here's a short pass to Hall. Lets it go. Puts it wide.
Maybe trying to be a little too fine as he shoots it wide of the net.
Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Knocked away. Along the half wall with the puck. Puts it to the front of the net. From in close. Oh, a clutch save. And another stop. Receives the pass. Myers plays it against the boards. Sends the pass over. Glove save. Oh, quick reflexes on the play. Belarus has it in the defensive end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Centered out in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Makes the save. And off the save, that one's redirected out of play. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Takes it across the blue line. Takes the feed at the back end. Blocker save! Team Belarus has got the puck along the wall. Slides the puck over. Moves it around along the half wall. And that one's broken up. From his own end, he picks up the puck. And that one's turned away. And that puck leaves the zone. Quick pass to Gray. From the point, looks to make something happen. Nowhere for that shot to go through. On the attack along the boards. Team Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. Over the line they come. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Just wide of the net. Sends a pass over. Takes a shot. Denied by the puck stopper. More than half the period has expired. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Back at the point, they set it up. Wrist shot from the slot. Too many bodies in the way. Handles the puck. With possession along the wall. Snaps one on net. Denies him. Through center along the wing. Nice feed from the left side up the middle. Here he is from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's not going to face many more high-danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. Great Britain's looking to break out. And they'll dump it in. Belarus gains a hold of the puck against the boards. Here they come on the attack. Takes the pass. Moves the puck along the half wall. Move to the middle, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a chance right out in front. Team Belarus has got the puck. Sends it in deep. Comes out to play the puck. Taken along the wall by Lee. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves it to Lee. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Centering pass. Lets it go. He scores! Aye, aye, Captain!
Well, the goaltender thinks he's got the whole net covered. This beats him just inside the post.
Team Great Britain's found themselves in the driver's seat now with a 2-goal lead. Nice offensive start.
Really good start, really quick. Now you've got the other team scrambling around, but there's too much time left in the game to sit back and try to defend it. Be aggressive.
Puts it in deep. Great Britain's got the puck behind the net. And now he angles it across to Lee. Picked up along the boards by Lee. Lee swooping in on the attack. Great read, comes up with it. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Picking up some steam at center ice. And the puck escapes the zone, and they'll be forced to tag up. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Here in the later stages of this period, Team Great Britain's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Takes the feed. Moves it around along the half wall. Getting a little physical out there, but still holds on to the puck. Here inside the offensive end, takes the feed from along the boards. Moves the puck. Carries the puck up through center. On the attack along the boards. And he serves it across to Richardson. Scoops up the puck now. Up along the wing. Great poke check on the reach. Now over to Hall. Nice speed at center, moves up ahead now. Tripped up on the play, delayed penalty coming up. Let's see what the official says here. Sin bin bound for tripping.
I always hated taking tripping penalties. It always felt like there was something I could have done better than that.
Great Britain's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
This is why you have meetings in the morning. You look at video of the penalty killers. You try to establish what their tendencies are going to be. Push the penalty killers into some place they're not comfortable.
Lays the body. Carries it in. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Centering pass. Into the corner of the attacking area. And that's broken up with a stick in front. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Slides the puck across to Gray. Intercepts it at center. Back on a stick now. Bar out!
Team Belarus's luck continues to be bad. A shot off the post, and they still trail.
Gets it to the other point. Oh, comes up with a stop.
So disappointed. He was shaking his head as he saw this up on the big board. That's a really good shot. He just hits the crossbar.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Hammers it. That's off a stick. Keeps hold of the puck. And that's broken up. Nice pass. Inside the final minute of the first here. Unloads from the blue line. Oh, what a stop.
There's always a next level to making a save. Step 2 is get the puck out of danger. He does a nice job there.
Takes the feed. Turns it away.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Here's an odd man rush. Here's a chance right in the slot. Wrist shot from the slot. Makes the glove stop. That's all she wrote on the first period of play as the horn sounds. The rink fairly tilted to one side after the first 20. They lead it 2-0.
If you are the holder of the winning ticket, please take it to our customer service kiosk at section 144.
Two more periods still to come. We'll be right back with much more action here on EA Sports. And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Receives the pass. And he gains the zone here. Sends the pass over. Shuts him down. Belarus has possession of it now. Slides the puck over. Carries it across the line. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Handles it along the blue line. And makes the save. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
He's right on it. 2 consecutive saves. Tough ones at that.
And he slides it quickly to Richardson. Richardson's got it along the wing. Drives it to the front of the net. With the stop.
Quick hands. Not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
Right in front. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes a shot. And that caroms right off the mask.
We used to laugh about this and say, the goalie's got to answer the phone because his ears are going to be ringing. But I'm sure the trainer's going to check on him here as this hits him right in the face.
Big save.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
With possession along the wall. Great defensive effort with the stick. Solid check to slow him down. Sends a pass over. Hammers a shot. Brilliant save. Read it perfectly.
Now we'll get another look at this. That's a good shot, but the goalie's getting the blocker up to make the save.
Lots of time left in this period. 2-0 is where we sit. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Oh, just wide.
Didn't miss that by much. He got lots on it.
Comes up with the stop.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Team Great Britain's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes a shot, traps that puck tight into his chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. Great Britain's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Gives them nothing in front.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Along the wing up the neutral zone. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. And he makes the save. Save made by the goalie. Team Great Britain's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Great Britain's looking to break out of their own end. Over the line they come. Pass back to the point. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Here they are on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed at the point with the stop.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
Here's a pass down low. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Here they come on the attack. Team Belarus has got the puck in the defensive end. Moves it quickly over to Richardson. Move to the middle. Oh, just a textbook hit.
Oh, the athletic therapist is already waiting for him at the door. He got crushed on that hit, and he needs some help.
And now he tries to get it across to Richardson. Into the corner now. Handles the puck. Takes a blast. Just up and over the net.
Defensemen that score from distance don't shoot it up there. Look at the best. They shoot it knee down, and it finds a way in.
Through center along the wing. Puck dumped in. Slides away from his crease now to play the puck. Long lead pass into the neutral zone. Moves the puck down low. Here's an offensive chance. Slides it diagonally to Gray. Gray's got it on the offensive end. Takes that pass back at the point. Shot. He scores! Oh, what a play as he gets his own rebound and puts it in.
That's a good play. It's a goal scorer's play. You shoot the puck and follow your shot. He gets a little lucky that it comes right back to him, but he makes no mistake.
Team Great Britain's performance has to have their coach smiling down the bench, Ray. What are you seeing?
I guess he smiled a little bit. Coaches never relax, but how could he not be pleased with this? They're running a shutout, and they're running up the score at the other end.
Time of the goal, 8 minutes.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Obstruction penalty coming up. Looks like a hook here. Let's get the official decision. Pretty cut and dry from up here, and the official saw it firsthand with hooking the call.
It's a penalty of being in bad position, and I think when you impede a player like this, they should call the hooking penalty every time.
Another scoring opportunity looms here.
The best power plays are the ones that are successful after they've failed. They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away, not let it affect the current power play.
Ahead of steam now towards the front. Belarus gains possession shorthanded and manages to clear the zone. Delayed penalty coming up here, and he slides it quickly to Richardson. Carries it in. Back to the point it goes. Takes a shot.
Oh.
Scores! The power play delivers big time.
Puck moved quickly, the players moved quickly. That's a terrific goal, taking advantage of the extra man. Oh, I thought he had this, James. He got a big chunk of it, but it just slowly trickled past him and into the net.
And it looks like the hockey equivalent of going to the bullpen's happening here as they're going to change goaltenders.
You ever wonder in a blowout why the goalie leaving skates way faster than the guy coming in?
Great Britain's brought it tonight. They absolutely have dominated here, especially with the goal scoring.
They've been faster, they've played with more skill, and they are filling the net. What a fun night to play in.
Denied by the goaltender.
High quality chance, high quality save.
Team Great Britain's had the better scoring opportunities and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone.
Time of the penalty.
Carries it across the line.
59 seconds.
Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it on net. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a Great Britain's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Looks to set up at the point now. Hammers a shot. Denies him on the slapper. Team Belarus has got the puck along the boards. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Fires it into the offensive zone. Team Great Britain's got it in their own zone. Takes the pass and makes the save. Great Britain's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Gobbles the puck up there with the chest, and the referee has blown his whistle, bringing a stop to the play. Team Great Britain's had the better scoring opportunities, and lots of them, which is why they lead in a big way here in the second. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone.
Even though they don't get one on the power play here, they still have a comfortable lead. The one thing you don't want to do is give up a shorthanded goal. Maybe that sparks the other team a little bit.
Great Britain's offense came to play in a big way, and they lead big time here in the second. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Rocks him on the play. Into the offensive zone. Here's the pass, and that one's stopped. Slides it back to the blue line. Puts it on net, stopped by the goaltender.
Good technique as the puck is over to the corner out of the way.
Centering pass. Takes a shot, stopped by the goaltender.
He worked hard to find the puck, but it's also because he's in great position.
Back to the blue line. From the opposite point. Blast from the blue line. Misses a golden opportunity there.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Pins them against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Keeps possession. Takes the shot. That's blocked. Good hit on the play. Takes it across the blue line. Moved into the middle, and that's picked off. Denies him in front.
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save. Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Team Great Britain's dominated right from the start. Their offense clicking on all cylinders, and they lead here in the second. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Knights got it into offensive territory. Takes the feed up ahead. Takes the feed. A chance in front! Stopped by the goaltender.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
And sends it just out of reach. Up along the wing. They've got the defense outnumbered. Here's a chance! Denies him on the play. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Great Britain's been dominating at all ends of the ice, especially offensively here late in the second. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Takes the pass from the boards. Puts it up front. Here's a chance in front. Completely misses on the play.
You don't even make the goalie work here. You've got to make him have to do something in the net.
And now he moves it to Gray. On the attack along the boards. And that one's broken up. Over the line they come. Moves the puck. Here's a rip. What a stop as he puts out the fire. Puck knocked loose after that hit. Nice pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. With possession along the wall. Quick feed to Gray. And that's picked off in front. And there's the save. Moves the puck along the half wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Takes the feed. Here they come on the attack. Receives the pass. And he comes up with it. Richardson's got it in the defensive end. Dumps it in. Belarus has it behind the net. Takes the return feed. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it against the wall. Lets it go. Sends it off mark.
A little bit too perfect with the delivery as he shoots it wide of the goal.
That's a solid hit. Carries it in. Second period nearly into its final minute here. Great Britain's got it in their own zone. And now it's over to O'Brien. Sends the pass over. And they'll be forced to tag up after that missed pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a shot. Oh, somebody called 911 on that robbery with the glove. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Stopped with ease.
He puts an exclamation point on this. What a glove stop. He does it with some flair.
Team Great Britain's been an impressive club to watch tonight, especially offensively, as they lead big here late in the second. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Misses!
Yeah, he's going to have to adjust the sights on that one.
Big save right at the end! Horn sounds to end the second period. It's been a spanking thus far. 4-0 is where we sit after 40.
Stay warm and stylish at the rink with our specially priced items tonight. Our game team start, priced at just $10. Hurry into our main stores as supplies are limited.
Don't go anywhere. The third period is just moments away. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray, I'm James, and we are ready to kickstart this third period. 20 minutes to go here in regulation of what has been a very one-sided affair. Once again, I'll send it back down to my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, who is at ringside. Ray, we've got 2 periods played. How do you see this thing?
Great Britain's focus now is just lock down this game. Comfortable lead. They've been terrific through 40 minutes. Don't give it away now.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that one's broken up. Picks up the puck in his own end. Carries it across the line. Here's a chance. Answers the call with a big save. Puck sent over to Lee. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Myers. Slides the puck over. Handles the puck at the point. Oh, he stops it with a glove. Great reflexes there.
He pumped that shot pretty quickly. That's a hard shot, but the goalie makes the stick save.
Great Britain's offense has been a thing to watch tonight as they lead it big time here early in the third. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes the feed from off the wing. Fires one. Oh, you can't miss that.
Now, somehow I got 408, James. You don't get any if you don't hit the net. Get it on target, man.
Puck sent across the blue line.
Oh, I like this, James. They've really cycled the puck well on this shift. Now they can hold it, and you put the pressure on the defenders. Eventually, they pull you down, or you get a great chance. Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Team Great Britain's on total cruise control early in this third period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Grabs it in his own end. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Takes the feed at the back end. Oh, what a missed chance that was.
Yeah, he's got to make a better play there. He's done everything right. Now you just got to get the puck on the tape.
And the defenders come up with the puck. Sends a pass over. They've got numbers. Here's a shot. Nothing. And the puck leaves the zone. Great Britain's got a hold of the puck. Feeds the puck to Gray. Gray stick handling in his own zone. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. Moves it around along the half wall. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Nice poke check. Team Great Britain's got control of it now from their own end. On the attack along the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. Team Belarus has got a hold of it along the wall. Smart heads up play to intercept the pass. With possession along the wall. Oh, and down he goes on the ice.
Oh, he thought there was room. Obviously, there was none. We'll get another look at that hit. The boards don't move, and so that hurts the way he finished them in. But look, the glass is still rattling from that check.
Great Britain's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. On the doorstep, and that one's broken up. Takes it across the blue line. Back at the point, they set it up. Makes the move in close. Makes the save.
The most fun save for the goaltender, the glove stop.
Team Great Britain's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Lets it go from the slot. Stones him in front. Puck picked up by Myers. From the left side into the middle of the neutral zone. Now a quick pass to Myers. And that one's turned away. Through center along the wing. Puck dumped in and they'll get a fresh group of forwards. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Puts one on net and makes the save. Great Britain showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Over the line they come. Handles the puck. Now he takes it over the line. Here's an odd man rush. And that goes off the face of the goaltender.
Well, whatever you got to do, I guess. Man, those guys are lucky the masks are as good as they are now.
Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Takes the pass. Wide of the net. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Puck scooped up by Richardson. Richardson's got it across the line. Takes the feed. Here's a short pass to Richardson. Comes up with the steal.
Yeah, forcing it a little bit. There's no need to when you got the lead.
Handles it along the blue line. Slides the cross-ice pass. Big save by the goaltender. In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play.
I want another look at that. Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, yeah, good work, guys. Good work, Brannigan. Getting this thing right. What a stop by the goaltender.
Team Great Britain's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. And now he moves it quickly to Gray. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. Great glove save! Great Britain's laying a pounding on the opposition tonight, generating numerous scoring chances and converting on what feels like almost all of them. Pass back to the point. Moves right to the middle. With the steal. Team Great Britain's looking to break out. Moves the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Nice pass. Hard blast. Puts it just wide of the net.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
Here he is, wristed on net. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's on it. Good chance, but he's able to glove that shot.
Great Britain showing no signs of slowing down here in this third period, up big time. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Here they come on the attack. Sends it across. And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. Snaps it onto the net, and that goes off a player. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Glove save! How did he get a piece of that? Team Great Britain's offense has been the story tonight, leading big time here in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. With the stop. Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. Takes the feed. Here they are on the attack. Into the corner. Right in front with the shot. Blocked in front. Blast from the blue line. And the long-range shot goes off target.
That's not going to do much good. A shot from the point that is a howitzer. It goes over the net. Who's going to tip that?
Receives the pass. Takes the feed at the point. Sends the pass over. Turns it away on the slap shot. Backhander. Big save by the goaltender once again.
Really good stop. After he made the first one, he's got to find the puck, and he's in position again.
Belarus takes possession along the wall. Slides the puck over. Here's a shot off the mask of the goaltender. Boy, right between the eyes.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Well past the midway mark of this period, it's been a rout thus far. 4-0 is where we're sitting. Quick pass to Lee. Takes control of the puck. Into the offensive end now. And it's a quick pass to Richardson. Blocked in traffic. Moves it around along the half wall. Lifts the stick and takes the puck. Sends a pass over. On the attack along the boards. Move to the middle. Shoots it on the backhand. Off the mark.
Goaltender's in good shape. There's not much room at all there, and he ends up shooting it wide.
Knocked away. Team Belarus has got the puck in their own end. Up along the wing. Sends it in on the attack. Team Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Lee's carrying it ahead. And player hauled down to the ice. Looks like we got a tripping penalty coming up here. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Comes up with the stop. Here comes the official's decision. And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. A stick between the player's feet.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
Well, they've earned another power play, James. Of course, that starts with an offensive zone faceoff. They've had success earlier in the game. They'll want to double up on that now if they can.
Takes that one right in the logo. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. Getting into the later stages of this period, it's been demolition derby night. 4-0 is where we sit. Lets it rip. That goes wide. Grabbed along the boards by Myers. Here's a shot, and he makes the save. Right to the middle. Centering pass. Another stop by the goaltender.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Handles the puck. Sends the pass down low. And he slides it quickly to Richardson. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. With some momentum driving towards the net. And that goes wide. Inside the offensive zone. Takes the pass from along the boards. Makes the save. Carries it in. A chance from the slot. Goalie with the stop.
Dangerous spot in the slot, and the goalie comes up big with the glove stop.
Great Britain's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Blocked in traffic. Feeds it over to Knight. Through center along the wing. Belarus will play it from behind the net. Moves it up. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Puts it on net. And a beautiful stop by the glove. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Comes up with the stop. Here in the dying moments of this period, 4-0 is where we sit. This has been a very, very one-sided contest. Puts it on net. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove! Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Denied by the goaltender. Nice defensive robbery on that. Play rolls on. Team Belarus has got the puck along the boards.
1 minute left in the third
Inside of the final minute here in the third. Takes that pass back at the point. Unloads it just wide.
Belarus hasn't found a way to capitalize on their multitude of chances all night. Late in the third period, they're in a tough spot.
Back to the point it goes. And now he angles it across to Knight with the stop. Belarus gets the puck near the boards. Sends it across the ice. With possession along the wall. Snapper from the slot. Scores!
Eventually, the puck finally goes in the net. They've been working at this all night. Finally, in the late stages, they get one. Oh, James, this is your fault. I know you said shutout in your head. You broke the curse. This is in the net. That goalie's not happy with you.
Puck is dropped, and we are back underway.
scored by number 93, assisted by number 60.
Throws it in.
By number 27.
Team Great Britain's got a hold of it against the wall.
6 seconds.
Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call. And the puck stopper tags his man to get the extra attacker on the ice. Whistle blows, stopping the play. Charging the call on the hit. Maybe a little too much aggression there.
Yeah, he had it on a beeline right towards him. Does not turn, does not slow down. When he makes the hit, the referee's arm goes up immediately.
Belarus penalties.
Here's a chance. How do you miss that, Ray?
I don't know, but we all do. You're right in the scoring zone, and you don't even test the goalie.
There's the horn, and that's the hockey game. Ray simply put in this one, dominant.
Yeah, coaches love this, too, because they get to play their whole bench. Spread everybody out, and the best part is when you go back to the locker room, everybody feels like they had a part of this blowout win.
For my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cybulski. Thanks so much for joining us. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.